drew lots with their pen that under whose guardianship Mary should be given. Hazrat Ibn Abbas radiyallahu anhu states, they drew lots and the pens of all followed away with the current, and Hazrat Zakariya's pen stopped even the current. So Hazrat Zakariya brought her up. Fasahama means they drew lots. Fakana minal mudhadeen means he was among those who cast lots. Hazrat Abu Huraira radiyallahu anhu states, the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam asked some people to take an oath, so everyone hurried to do so. Thus he sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, draw lots among them for the right to swear. Hazrat Nu'man bin Bashir radiyallahu anhu reports that the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, the parable of the one who shows laxity regarding the limits demarcated by Allah Jalla Jalaluhu and who violates them is like that of the people who cast lots in a boat. So some had lower deck and some had upper deck as their share. So those who were in the lower deck had to go to the people in the upper deck for water. They felt inconvenience due to it. So he took an axe and started making a hole in the lower part of the boat. So they came to him and said, what has happened to you? He replied, you felt inconvenience due to me, but water cannot be helped. Hence, if they catch hold of his hand, they will save him as well as themselves. But if they leave him, they will destroy him as well as themselves. Sahih Bukhari Hadith number 2686.